In this session, let's gain some insight into what is Memorandum of Association. The definition is available in section 2 subsection 56, and we also have definitions by Palmer, Bowen and Lord Cairns. So we'll see one by one. Section 2 subsection 56 says memorandum means memorandum of association which is originally framed or altered time to time to ensure compliance with the previous company's law or the present Companies Act 2013. Okay, so this section 2 subsection 56 says memorandum is nothing but memorandum of association originally framed or altered time to time. Okay, we also have definition given by Mr. Palmer, and he says memorandum basically contains the objects with which the company is formed. It is going to identify the possible scope of operations beyond which a company cannot go, and he says memorandum actually defines and confines the powers of the company. Then we have the definition of Bowen LG, where he says memorandum contains the fundamental conditions upon which the company is allowed to be incorporated. Then we have a detailed definition by Lord Cairns, and he says memorandum basically serves two purposes. Number one, it enables the shareholders, creditors and others who are dealing with the company to know the powers and range of activities of that company, and anyone dealing with the company will know whether the transaction with the company is now within the objectives of the company and they are not ultra wise. Okay, so this is the definition part. Fine, then let's get some idea on the importance of memorandum, why it's so important. Reason is memorandum is the key document. It is going to provide vital details, most important document for incorporation of a company, and it's a fundamental document which is going to give out very critical or important information, and so it is also called as charter of the company. Number two, why it is so important? Because it's a public document. Any person, whether he is a member or not, can inspect the memorandum of association of a company through register of companies. Okay, so that's about the importance. Then this memorandum is also a must for every company. The registration of a company is not possible without memorandum of association. It is one of the main document that should be filed with register of companies at the time of registration of company.